Hey yo crypto fam, welcome back to our channel app tutorial where we post video related to crypto and other stuff. And in today's video, it's on crypto and it's on how you guys can add a payment method in Binance. Now for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto and you guys can easily add payment method in it. Alright, now let me show you guys how you guys can do that. Now before I show you how you guys can add payment method in Binance, why you need to add payment method in Binance is by adding a payment method, you guys can pay for crypto whichever you buy. So let's say before buying crypto, you need to buy fiat. And how you guys can buy that fiat is by putting in money. How you guys gonna put in money without adding a payment method? So for that, first you need to add a payment method to buy fiat, and from there you can buy crypto. So that's basically how this works. All right. Now let me show you guys how you guys can add your payment method in Binance. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description, and let's move forward. First step, go to binance.com, log in into your account. Then click on versus this profile looking icon and go on versus security. Once you go on security, you want to go on versus payment method over here, or it's just going to say payment. All right. Once you're over here, there's the add payment method button. Once you click on it, since I haven't completed my verification or my KYC, it's showing me this. But if you guys have already completed your KYC, it's going to show you which type of payment method you want to add, like your Visa, your MasterCard. After choosing the method and entering your information, your card will be ordered. So first, make sure you complete your KYC and then you can add your payment method. All right. Hope you guys were able to understand. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future video just like this. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.